Pilots YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are back with another job update from Cipla. Guys, you all know Cipla is one of the big pharma company in India, and today in this video, we are going to see the job opening from Cipla for the qualifications, which will be discussed later in this video. So this is the job description. They are hiring for team member, quality assurance, or junior team member, or quality assurance, business head, junior operator, production, division sales. So many there, operator, packaging, junior officer, packaging. So these are the job description, and let us see some vacancy details. As I already discussed, the qualifications required for this job opening, that is B Pharma or MSc or B.sc or Diploma or MBA candidates. Guys, they are hiring for not for freshers, for experienced candidates with a minimum 2 years of experience and maximum of 6 years experience. Guys, if you are watching our channel for the first time, and do subscribe to our channel for regular job updates, because we provide all the job updates in a timely manner on a daily basis. So do subscribe and click that notification bell icon. So let us see some other important details regarding the job location, which is Goa and Mumbai. The post date is 19, that is there, it is posted yesterday, and the selection process will be on the basics of interview itself. So how to apply for this job openings? So here I will show you the steps how to apply for this job opening. First of all, click on the link which is provided in the description of the video. From there, you will be directed to the career page of Cipla. From there, you need to register yourself, and upon successful registration and log in with your credentials, and once you logged in, you need to fill the relevant personal educational details, work experience, and attach your resume. Then you can apply for this job. So these are the details regarding this job opening from Cipla. If you like our content, do share with your friends and also subscribe to our channel. And this is another job update today posted in our channel from Data Redis Laboratories, which is a virtual walk-in drive. You can also watch this video with the link in the description of the video. See you in the next video.